Today we're diving into 15 car gadgets that completely change how your ride feels. Smarter, safer, and honestly way more fun than anything the dealership ever tried to sell you. From late-night rescue tools to upgrades that install in under a minute, this is the gear you'll wish you'd found last year. Number 1. 4K front and rear dash cam. Ever been hit and had it turn into your word against theirs? A 4K front and rear dash cam ends that argument permanently. The front camera shoots true 4K, the rear covers 1080p, and a low-light sensor pulls license plates out of the dark at highway speed. Built-in GPS stamps your speed and route onto every clip. Wedge it behind your mirror, drop in the card, and it records the second you start the engine. Number 2. Portable jump starter. Dead battery in a parking lot at midnight? This pocket jump starter puts out 1,500 to 2,000 amps of peak current, enough to fire a 7-liter gas engine or a 5-liter diesel in seconds. It holds its charge for 6 months sitting in your glove box and works from 4 below zero all the way to 140. Clamp it on, hit the button, drive away. It doubles as a phone power bank and an LED flashlight. Number 3. Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. Check engine light on, and the shop wants $100 just to look at it? This Bluetooth scanner plugs into the port under your dash and sends the code straight to your phone in about 10 seconds. You get the actual fault, what it means in plain English, and live engine data while you drive. Clear the code yourself once it's fixed. It's the difference between walking into a shop informed and walking in guessing. Number 4. Cordless car vacuum. Crumbs in every seam and the gas station vacuum keeps eating your quarters. This cordless car vacuum pulls serious suction through a crevice nozzle that actually reaches the seat rails. It runs about 30 minutes on a charge, refills over USB-C, and comes with a brush head for vents and a mesh filter you rinse instead of replace. It's small enough to live in your door pocket permanently. Number 5. Solar tire pressure monitor. Your car's tire warning light only fires after the damage is done. This solar tire pressure monitor screws 4 sensors onto your valve stems and shows live pressure and temperature on a display that charges off your windshield. 6 alarm modes cover slow leaks, blowouts, and overheating. Underinflated tires quietly burn fuel and chew through tread. This catches it while it's still a top-up instead of a tow. Number 6. Wireless backup camera. Backing out blind in an older car? This wireless backup camera bolts into your license plate frame and beams the feed to a small screen on your dash. No running cable through the entire vehicle. It wires into your reverse light, so it wakes the instant you shift into R, with guidelines and night vision built in. Number 7. Emergency escape tool. Nobody plans for this one. A window breaker and seatbelt cutter clips to your center console and does 2 jobs in an emergency. A spring-loaded steel tip shatters tempered side glass with 1 press, and a recessed blade slices through a jammed belt. It needs no swing and no strength. It costs less than lunch and sits there for years doing absolutely nothing, which is exactly the point. Number 8. Retractable windshield sunshade. Sick of wrestling a folding sunshade into your back seat? This retractable shade mounts once and pulls across like a window blind. The reflective coating drops cabin temperature hard on a parked summer afternoon, which saves your dashboard from cracking and your steering wheel from becoming untouchable. Pull it out when you park, let it snap back when you don't. No folding, no storing, no fighting it. Number 9. Bluetooth FM transmitter. Older car with no Bluetooth? This transmitter turns your cigarette lighter into a full audio system. It pairs to your phone, broadcasts to any empty FM station, and pushes calls and music through your factory speakers with noise cancellation on the mic. It also fast charges 2 devices at once over USB-C. Plug it in, tune the dial, and a 20-year-old stereo suddenly does hands-free. Number 10. Headlight restoration kit. Yellow hazy headlights aren't just ugly, they cut your night visibility dramatically. This restoration kit sands off the oxidized layer with graduated pads, then seals the lens under a UV coating so it doesn't fog over again in 6 months. 20 minutes per side, by hand. New headlight assemblies run hundreds of dollars each. This brings the ones you already own back to clear. Number 11. Magnetic LED work light. Ever tried changing a tire while holding a flashlight in your teeth? This magnetic LED work light slaps onto any steel panel and floods the whole area hands-free. It folds into a hook, rotates a full 360 degrees, and runs for hours on a USB-C charge with a red emergency flash mode. Toss it in the trunk and forget it until the night you need it. Number 12. Steering wheel tray. Eating lunch in your car off your lap? This steering wheel tray clips over the rim and gives you a flat, stable surface for food, a laptop, or paperwork. Flip it around and it becomes a clipboard when you need to sign something. Delivery drivers, sales reps, anyone who lives in their car for hours will get it immediately. It stores flat in the door pocket. Number 13. Ceramic coating spray. Want a wax that lasts months instead of weeks? This ceramic spray lays down a hydrophobic layer that beads water hard and stops bug splatter and bird droppings from etching your clear coat. Spray it on a clean panel, wipe it off, done in under 30 minutes for the whole car. No buffer, no polisher, no detailing shop. The shine holds through months of weather. Number 14. Leak-proof car trash can. Fast food bags piling up in your footwell? This leak-proof car trash can straps to your console or seat back with a sealed lid that keeps smells in and spills contained. The liner pops out for emptying. It holds a real amount of garbage, not the token half-liter cup holder versions. Cheap, boring, and it fixes the single most common mess in every car. Number 15. 12-volt windshield defroster. Scraping your windshield at 6 in the morning? This 12-volt defroster plugs into your outlet and blows hot air straight at the glass, clearing frost and fog in minutes while your engine is still cold. Swivel the head toward your hands or your feet for the drive in. It doubles as a cool air fan in summer. It's the difference between sitting there shivering and just going. Alright, that's 15 gadgets that'll make your car feel brand new. Which one are you buying first? Drop a comment below and tell me. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next batch, and I'll see you in the next one.